Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. The next topic we are going to see is 4.5 circles and tangents. First we are going to see theorem number 6 alternate segment theorem. So previous theorem we see theorem number 5 Pythagoras theorem. So now we are going to see alternate segment theorem. Statement: if a line touches a circle and from the point of contact a chord is drawn, the angle between the tangent and the chord are respectively equal to the angles in the corresponding alternate segments. So this is the statement. Proof: given a circle with center O. So imagine step by step a circle with center O and a tangent AB. So here we can see a tangent AB. It touches the circle at P. So this circular touch பண்ணது இந்த tangent at the point P and PQ is the chord. So you can see a blue color line PQ is the chord of the circle. S and T are the 2 points on the circle. So S and T 2 points on the circle in the opposite sides of the chord PQ. So in the chord க்கு opposite side ல 2 point எடுத்துக்கிறோம், that is S and T. To prove first subdivision, QPB is equal to PSQ. So we can see the figure QPB. Here we can see QPB. So QPB is equal to PSQ. So PSQ. So இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளும் equal அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். First one. And second subdivision is QPA is equal to PTQ. So QPA we can see here QPA in the angle, then PTQ in the angle. இது ரெண்டும் equal அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். So construction: draw the diameter POR. So POR, draw QR, QS and PS. So first statement and then reason. Angle RPB is equal to 90 degree. So we can see RPB இது 90 degree ல இருக்கு. So RPB is 90 degree. Now angle RPQ plus angle QPB is equal to 90 degree. So இப்போ அதை எப்படி split பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா RPQ plus QPB அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். ஸோ இந்த 90 டிகிரியை தான் நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா RPQ plus QPB அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். ஸோ which is equal to 90 degree. That is your equation number 1. So reason is diameter RP is perpendicular to the tangent AB. So இந்த diameter தான் RP, diameter of the circle. இது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா tangentக்கு perpendicular-ஆக இருக்குது. So அதனால தான் it makes 90 degree. Then second one, in a triangle RPQ, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு triangle choose பண்ண போகிறோம். அந்த triangle என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா RPQ. ஸோ இதுதான் அந்த triangle RPQ. இந்த triangle choose பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா இதில் Qன்ற angle தான் 90 டிகிரியில் இருக்குது. ஸோ which is right angled at Q. Because angles in a semicircle is 90 degree. Then angle QRP plus angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree. So QRP இதையும் plus RPQ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா நம்மளுக்கு 90 டிகிரி வருது. QRP plus RPQ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா நம்மளுக்கு 90 டிகிரி. Because in a right angle triangle sum of two acute angle is 90 degree. ஏன்னா நம்ம ஒரு ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் சூஸ் பண்ணோம், இட் இஸ் ரைட் ஆங்கிள் அட் ஆங்கிள் க்யூன்னு சொல்லியாச்சு. அப்போ இது 90 டிகிரினா கண்டிப்பாக இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு 90 டிகிரி தான் வரணும். or otherwise sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 90 degree plus இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் 90 degree. ஸோ ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்தா நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree வருது. Then angle RPQ plus angle QPB is equal to angle QRP plus angle RPQ. Since from equation 1 and 4. So from equation 1 and 3 we can write like this because both are 90 degree. So இப்போ இது ரெண்டுமே 90 degree என்றதுனால இது எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா QPB is equal to QRP because RPQ gets cancelled. So you get equation number 4. Then QRP is equal to angle PSQ because angles in the same segment are equal. So we can see QRP. So this is QRP and PSQ. We can see PSQ. So angles in the same segment are equal. Then next QPB is equal to PSQ from equation 4 and 5. So இப்போ equation 4 equation 5 compare பண்ணா QRP ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம QPB is equal to PSQ ன்னு எழுதிக்கிறோம். Next linear pair of angles. So linear pair of angles அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா QPB plus QPA. QPB plus QPA இந்த side. So QPB QPA the linear pair angles ரெண்டுத்தையும் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree வரும். ஏன்னா obviously இது ஒரு straight line. So கண்டிப்பாக இதோட angle 180 degree தான் இருக்கும். Similarly angle PSQ plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. That is your equation number 8. So sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So from equation 7 and 8 right hand side is equal. So we can equate the left hand side. So QPB plus QPA is equal to angle PSQ plus angle PTQ. Then QPB plus QPA is equal to PSQ plus angle PTA from equation 6. PXQ க்கு பதிலா நம்ம என்ன போடலாம்னா QPB ன்னு போடலாம். So QPB plus angle PTA. Then here QPB gets cancelled. So angle QPA is equal to angle PTA. Hence second subdivision is also proved. So this completes the proof. Next example 4.24. Find the length of the tangent drawn from a point whose distance from the center of the circle is 5 cm and radius of the circle is 3 cm. The problem belongs to page number 191. So here we can see a circle. The center point is O and O to P the measurement is 5 cm and the radius of the circle R is equal to 3 cm. Now join TP. Solution given OP is equal to 5 cm, radius R is equal to 3 cm. To find the length of the tangent PT, so here we can see this is the length of the tangent. So we get a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle OTP, by using Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OT square plus PT square. Here we can see the measurement of OP, that is 5 square is equal to 3 square plus PT square gives PT square is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. So PT is equal to root of 16. Therefore the length of the tangent PT is equal to 4 cm. Now example 4.25. PQ is a chord of length 8 cm to a circle of radius 5 cm. The tangents at P and Q intersect at the point T. Find the length of the tangent TP. Let TR is equal to Y. We can see the figure. A circle of radius 5 cm and PT and PTQ are the two tangents of the circle. Then from OT you have to find the measurement. Then PQ is the chord of the circle. Its measurement is 8 cm. Let TR is equal to Y since OT is a perpendicular bisector of PQ. So here we can see OT is the perpendicular bisector of the chord PQ. So PR is equal to QR is equal to 4 cm. So we can see a triangle. So it is a right angled triangle ORP. So ORP is a right angle triangle. So we have to use a Pythagoras theorem. So we can write OP square is equal to OR square plus PR square. So OR square is equal to OP square minus PR square. OR square is equal to OP is 5. So 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 25 minus 16, which is equal to 9. So OR is equal to root of 9, which is nothing but 3 centimeter. Then OT is equal to, we can write OT as OR plus RT. So which is equal to 3 plus Y. That is your equation number 1. Next, in a triangle PRT. So in a triangle PRT, TP square is equal to TR square plus PR square, which is equation number 2. Next, in a triangle OPT. So we can see a triangle OPT. We have OT square is equal to TP square plus OP square. So OT square is equal to TP square is nothing but, from equation 2 we can write TR square plus PR square plus OP square. So we can write OT as 3 plus Y the whole square, which is equal to Y square plus 4 square plus 5 square, because TR is Y. So Y square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Now we can use the formula A plus B whole square. So 9 plus 6Y plus Y square is equal to Y square plus 16 plus 25. So Y square gets cancelled. 6Y is equal to 41 minus 9. We get Y is equal to 16 by 3. From equation 2, TP square is equal to TR square plus PR square. So TP square is equal to TR value is 16 by 3 the whole square, that is your Y, plus PR is 4 square, which is equal to 256 by 9 plus 16, which is equal to 400 by 9. So TP is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. Next example 4.26, which is in page number 192. So in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. So here we can see O is the center of the circle and PQ is the chord. So PQ is the chord and the tangent PR. So this is the tangent. So PR at P makes an angle of 50 degree with PQ. Find angle POQ. So solution, angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree minus 50 degree, which is equal to 40 degree, because we can see OPQ. So from OPQ, this is 90 degrees. So 90 minus 50, you get 40 degree. So angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degree. OP is equal to OQ is the radius of the circles are always equal. Then angle OPQ is equal to angle OQP is equal to 40 degree, because triangle OPQ is an isosceles triangle. Then angle POQ. So angle POQ is equal to 180 degree minus angle OPQ minus angle OQP. So angle POQ is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 100 degree, because here we can find this is 40 degree. Then similarly angle P is 40 degree and angle Q is also 40 degree. So you can get angle POQ is equal to 180 minus 40 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 100 degree. So we can find angle O is 100 degree. So here you have 40 plus 100 is 180 degree. Next we are going to see example 4.27 in the figure. Triangle ABC is the circumference of a circle. Find the length of BC. So solution, AN is equal to AM is equal to 3 centimeter. So we can see AN and AM is 3 centimeter. So tangents drawn from some external point are equal. Then BN is equal to BL is equal to 4 centimeter. So B to N and B to L both are 4 centimeter. So CL is equal to CM. So CL and CM both are equal, which is equal to AC minus AM. So we can write AC minus AM. So AC value is 9, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. It gives BC is equal to, we can write BC as BL plus CL or LC, which is equal to, here you have 4 centimeters, so this is also 4 centimeters. So 4 plus, now only we find CL is 6 centimeters. So 4 plus 6 is 10 centimeter. Example 4.28, which is in page number 193. If radii of two concentric circles are 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, then find the length of the chord of one circle which is a tangent or to the other circle. So we can see a concentric circle of radius 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. So solution, OA is equal to 4 centimeter, OB is equal to 5 centimeter. Also OA is perpendicular to BC. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can write OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So 5 square is equal to 4 square plus AB square, which gives AB square is equal to 9. Therefore, AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 2 times of AB. So hence, BC is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6 centimeter.